Good morning. We're going to do a kind of a short kayak paddle today. We're going to paddle Vandemere Creek. It's going to be an out and back paddle. We're going to put in at the park in Vandemere, and we're going to paddle up Vandemere Creek about as far as we can go, hopefully past the 304 bridge, and then turn around, come back, and then we're going to go up Smith Creek a couple of miles as far as we can go. Again, hopefully that'll be past another 304 bridge, and then turn around and come back. Should be about 12 or 13 miles. So it's not a very aggressive paddle today. The weather's supposed to get up to about 80 degrees, and then the winds are going to be out of the southeast at 5 to 10 knots. So should be a beautiful day for a paddle. We're almost at the launch site now, so we'll see you on the water. Here we are, the wildlife ramp in Vandemere Waterfront Park. Very nice put-in spot. We are out of here. Town of Vandemere, Pamlico County, North Carolina. Gonna go paddle Vandemere Creek. Just an out and back paddle. It's gonna be about 4 miles up and 4 miles back. And then we're going to go the opposite direction from the put-in and go up Smith Creek a couple of miles and then a couple of miles back. So, beautiful day for a paddle. It's a beautiful morning. It's a isolated chance of thunderstorms this afternoon, so we're going to go ahead and the wind's supposed to pick up 15 knots. So we're going to go ahead and get her done. So I've been in this creek several times fishing in my power boat, but I've never paddled it. I've never been up as far as we're going to go today. Pamlico County's got a lot of creeks, beautiful creeks and rivers to explore. All right, we're about 2.5 miles into the paddle here. It's beautiful. This is a lot of marsh. I'd say we're probably about a mile from the Highway 304 bridge where Vandemere crosses. But I haven't been up this far before in any boat. But it's pretty. All right, so here is the Highway 304 bridge. See where this would be somewhat difficult getting under and a little bit more of high water. We're going to see how far we can go up in here. Just about 4 miles here. You can see it's gotten really tight. place like this is not where you want to meet a 12-foot alligator. No place to escape. This is a great creek for you 10-foot kayak, if you've got one. It's not really anything in the, as far as open water to speak of. It's tight quarters, so, and it's an easy paddle. Just when you think it's about to stop, it opens up a little bit more. I don't know if we can get over that or not. Nope. Alright, this is the end of the road here, unfortunately. About 4¼ miles. You can see it's quickly opening back up here. There's the bridge, back at the bridge. There's a loon. Seven miles, so no wake zone. Okay, I'll slow down. I'll slow it down. This point right here on the left is called Alligator Point, and this creek right here, this is the mouth of Long Creek, L-O-N-G. So this is to the left coming out. That doesn't go up very far, maybe, I don't know, half a mile to a mile or so. But just thought I'd give you a peek at that. So we're gonna stay in Vandemere Creek here for a little while longer. Alright, so there's the Vandemere Waterfront Park where we launched at. We'll stop, get out, stretch our legs, get a drink of water, and then we'll head out into the Bay River and scoot over to Smith Creek. Check that out, I've never been in there. Hi. Hi. We're gonna saddle up and get out of here. See you back out on the water. On to the second leg. So it should be just, I don't know, a couple of miles up to up Smith Creek and back, so you're probably looking at about 4 miles or so. We'll know. Right now we're at 9.23 miles as we're headed back out. So I know. Sorry. So this is Windmill Point, where the Bay River and Vandemere Creek converge. Windmill Point. So up here on the right is Smith Creek. Look in there and check that out. White capping. Probably going about 12 knots. Barely white capping. Alright, when we get up here a little closer, we will holler back at you. All right, we're entering Smith Creek. It's gotten a little sporty out here from when we first left, but it's a beautiful day. Gonna be a workout coming out into the wind. All right, so we're in Smith Creek now. Smith Creek off the Bay River. Nice, no development. Almost 12 miles. 304 crosses up in here again. I don't know if we're going to be able to make it that far or not. We're going to give it the old college try. I'm hearing traffic. There's the road. There's 304. Alrighty. There we have it. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. Couldn't get my head any lower. This is not really a bridge. This is more of a glorified culvert. Looks like it's getting kind of tight up in here. Kind of tight. End of the road. So. Get some more room to turn around. Clouds are building too. All right. Fun. Hello. Bay River looks like a washing machine. This is gonna be fun. Let's get a rudder in the water. Okay. This was Smith Creek. We're about a I don't know, half a mile, 3/4 of a mile to the mouth of Smith Creek, getting back into the Bay River. So we'll get back with you then. Leaving Smith Creek, entering the Bay River, dead into the teeth of it. We're gaining on it though, slowly but surely. It's not as bad as I thought. I don't think it's as bad as it was when we entered the creek, Smith Creek. Of course, you don't have as good a control on a quartering sea as you do going into it like we are now. Although it's slow, you do have a lot more control. There's a shower. Off the port bow, past that flag there. Not sure if the camera will pick it up. Oh, just about need a skirt. Done. I'd a whole lot rather paddle something like this than flat water, to be honest with you. It's a lot more exciting. Turn for home here. Got about a, I don't know, mile and a half or something. We're at 13.5 miles now. I don't think we're going to be at 15, which I was hoping to, but it'll be close to it. It'll be just shy of it. So. Paddleboard stroke going on. Slugging along. We're making some headway. We're gonna get there. Seems like it's dying down. Not white capping anymore. Just about in the lee of this land mass up here. About a mile and a half. Starboard here. These guys are going to be upset with me. Beautiful. Sorry. Back at the landing. There you go. Tour de Vandemere Creek and Smith Creek. So it's a beautiful area. Come on down to Pamlico County and get your paddle on. Just shy of 14.5 miles. 4 hours and 20 minutes. So it's a beautiful day. Got it in before the rain. So, thank y'all for watching. I really appreciate it.